The number 8. Astronauts, it's time to get on the space shuttle. Let's count one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 astronauts. Now it's time to board the space shuttle. Blast off! Astronauts, your first mission is to land on the moon. We see a good place for you to land next to 8 craters. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 craters! Great job, team! To complete the mission, we want you to bring 8 moon rocks back to Earth. Let's count them, one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 moon rocks. The mission is a success. 8 astronauts. The number 8.